Hi, today I'll knit very simple socks on two needles. I hope you like it. You also need two 3mm needles, two cable needles, and two stitch markers. Cast on 14 stitches and work a 2 by 2 rib for about 10 centimeters. Next, knit at least 2 rows in stocking stitches. Now mark the middle 22 stitches with markers. Work until the marker before the first marker, an hour marker, continue until the second marker, second marker, an hour, knit. Purl all stitches on the wrong side rows. Purl all stitches. An hour marker, continue until the second marker, second marker, an hour, and continue. Purl all stitches on the wrong side rows. Knit until you have 16 stitches on each side. Slip all the stitches after the markers onto cable. Do it like this. Knit on with cable needle until the first marker. Until the first marker. Continue with needle until the second marker. Slip all stitches without knitting. And now slip to the cable needle until the marker. Now it's look like this. Now knit only the middle 22 stitches according to your size. It's look like this. Knit to here for your size. Now knit work 2 stitches together at the beginning of each row. 2 stitches together. One slip, 2 stitches together. And continue work 2 stitches together at the beginning of each row. Continue until 8 stitches on the needle. Now I will add 1 stitch at the edge of each row. Knit row per the pattern. And take 1 stitch from the side. One slip, knit, and take 1 from the side. On the right side, take from the front. 1 slip, continue, and add 1 stitch from the side, from the edge, and continue, knit, and 1 stitch from the edge. Continue until 20 stitches on the needle. Now in each row knit 2 stitches together at the end of the row, then add 1 stitch at the edge. Work all stitches. Two stitches together and add 1 stitch from the edge. Total 20 stitches. Continue 1 stitch, 1 slip, sorry, knit, two stitches together and add 1 from the edge. Total 20 stitches. And continue 2 stitches together and 1, and 1 stitch in the edge. I would knit to the point where we start the cable needles. Now continue in the same way, knit 2 stitches together at the end of the row, then knit 1 stitch from the cable needle. One slip, work per the pattern, now 2 stitches together and 1 stitch from the cable needle. And continue. First slip, knit, two stitches together and 1 stitch from the cable needle. And continue. At the end of the row, 2 stitches together and 1 knit from the cable needle. Now I've knitted all the stitches from the cable needles. Now we start decreasing stitches. Work the row at the end of the row. Work 2 together twice. 1, 2, and add 1 stitch from the edge. Second row, knit, at the end of the row, work 2 stitches together twice. 1, 2, and add 1 from the edge. In the third row, knit 2 together once at the end of the row and pick up 1 edge from the edge, 1 stitch, and add 1 stitch from the edge. In the first row, At the end of the row, knit two together once, knit two together once, and add one from the edge, and continue in the pattern. Continue until 10 stitches on the needle. Next, continue with the 2 by 2 rib. At the end of each row, knit two together, and add one stitch at the edge. Or rib 2 by 2, or two stitches together, and add one from the edge. It continue per the pattern. Per the pattern. Rib 2 by 2, or two stitches together per the pattern, and one from the edge. It look like this. Cast off. The socks are ready. Enjoy. Good luck.